Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp verification time problem. So how this error occurs when you try to log in to WhatsApp and you haven't inserted the SIM in same mobile and you have inserted the SIM in any other phone. If you will delay to enter the code, this error will appear. So you have to make sure that the SIM card is inserted in the same mobile, or you have to keep the second mobile in your hand and then you have to try to log into WhatsApp. Now we'll try to log into WhatsApp and show you the error. And here you can see resend SMS in 27 hours. So we can resend the SMS after 27 hours. Now I'll teach you how you can sort out this issue. The first thing, you have to click on call me and you will receive a call from WhatsApp side. So you will receive a call from WhatsApp side, listen the code and you can enter to log into WhatsApp. So this is the method 1. In second method, what you have to do, you have to minimize this one. You don't have to close this one, and then you have to go to your phone settings and then you have to search here date and time. Go to date and time, click on date and time and turn off automatic date time. Now what you have to do, you have to change the time. First you have to change the time only 1 hour. Click on done. Now go back to the WhatsApp and here you can see 26 hours left. Again go back to the timer. Now this time you have to change the date. We'll change the date. Click on done. Now go back to WhatsApp and here you can see resend SMS in 2 hours. So this is how you can fix WhatsApp verification time problem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.